Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the CPU temperature in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. At first, open up your browser. On Google, search for download HW info. Go to the first link. Then on this page, just scroll down. Go to free download. Click on SourceForge. Then just wait 5 seconds, it will start downloading. Then after it is done downloading, just click on open file. Click on yes. Then just select your language and click on OK. Click on next. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Then just select the folder where you want to install it and click on next. Click on next again. Click on install. Click on finish. Click on yes. You can just minimize this window. From here, make sure to check sensors only. Click on start. Click on close. When this thing loads, just scroll down a bit and you can see your CPU temperature from here. And that is how to check CPU temperature in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.